What is the difference? JSON true versus Python true. Imagine you're working on a project where data moves back and forth between your Python script and a web service. You might notice some differences in how true values are written. That's what we're here to clarify today. When you handle JSON data in Python, understanding how true in JSON compares to true in Python is key. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight format used to exchange data over the web. Python, on the other hand, is a programming language often used for automation and scripting. When you get data from an API or a file, it's usually in JSON format. The main thing to remember is that JSON uses lowercase true and false. For example, if you see a JSON object, it might look like this. Is active, true, is deleted, false. These true and false are actual Boolean values in JSON, not strings. If you write true or false with quotes, it's just text, not Boolean data. Now in Python, the Boolean values are written with a capital T for true and a capital F for false. So if you want to assign a true value to a variable, you write isActive is equal to true. If you write true with lowercase, Python treats it as an undefined variable and throws an error. When you work with JSON data in Python, you use the JSON module. The JSON loads function takes a JSON string and converts it into a Python object. During this process, JSON true becomes Python true automatically. For example, if you load a JSON string like isActive, true, the resulting Python dictionary will have the value true for the key isActive. Conversely, when you want to turn a Python object back into JSON, you use JSON dumps. This function converts Python true into JSON true and Python false into false. So, if you have a Python dictionary with true and false, converting it to JSON will change the booleans to lowercase true and false. This automatic conversion is important because if you try to work with JSON data directly without parsing it, Python won't recognize true or false as booleans. Instead, it might treat them as undefined variables or strings, leading to errors. To sum up, JSON uses lowercase true and false, while Python uses uppercase true and false. When you load JSON data into Python, the JSON module takes care of converting JSON booleans into Python booleans. When you dump Python objects into JSON, it converts Python booleans into JSON format. Knowing this difference helps you avoid bugs and makes your code work smoothly when handling data from APIs or files. So, always remember to parse JSON data with JSON loads before using it, and use JSON dumps to send data back in JSON format. This way, your Boolean values stay consistent and your scripts run without a hitch.